Hi! In front of me is Honor Magic4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. You need to start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then click on System and Updates. Now select Languages and Input, Microsoft Keyboard, and finally Themes. Then you can click on Gallery or Yours. Tap on the best theme for you, I will go with that one, and select Home button. When I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, but this time select Custom over here. Then click on Start. Now you can tap on Add Image, choose Allow, and click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. I will go with this one. Now pinch it to scale, drag it to move. Adjust background darkness by swiping left or right, and click on Done at the top right corner. Then you can manage key borders and symbols by choosing those switchers. And when you're ready, save your keyboard by choosing Save at the top right corner. So now when I go back and try to access it, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!